Hello friends, welcome back to our online course on refrigeration and air conditioning. In last few of the lectures we have discussed few of the psychometric properties of the air. Let's get started with the remaining properties. In today's lecture we are going to discuss relative humidity and a degree of saturation. Now what is relative humidity? It is nothing but ratio of mass of water vapor. I can write here mathematically ratio of mass of water vapor present with unit volume of dry air to the mass of water vapor present with unit volume of dry saturated air. Means I can write here mass of water vapor in dry saturated air. Now from this equation, which equation? PV is equal to mRT. What I can write? M is equal to PV upon RT. Now write the mass of water vapors in terms of this equation. What I will get here? PV into V divided by RT multiplied by, how we can write mass of water vapors in saturated air? That is PVS into V into R into T. Now just check which things we can cancel. This RT and this RT we can cancel. This V with this V we can cancel. And finally what we can get? I will get PV upon PVS. Now let us move towards the next definition, that is nothing but degree of saturation. It is usually denoted by symbol mu. Now what is that mu? It is nothing but a ratio of actual mass of water vapor in the unit mass of dry air. This is nothing but what? Humidity or specific humidity or humidity ratio to the mass of water vapor present in the same mass of dry air when that air is saturated. Hence I can write here W in suffix S. Now go on putting the values of omega and omega S. Now what was the value of omega? The value of omega was what? 0.622 into PV upon PT minus PV. Now we are going to use the same value of omega in this equation. Therefore what I will get? Mu is equal to, value of omega is 0.622 into PV divided by PT minus PV. This is nothing but omega. Now similarly how we can write for the omega S? That is 0.622 into PVS divided by PT minus PVS. Now let's check which things we can cancel. This 0.622 and this 0.622 I can cancel, and finally after simplification what I will get? This PV upon PT minus PV multiplied by this PT minus PVS divided by PVS. Go on simplification. Therefore mu is equal to PV upon PVS multiplied by PT minus PVS divided by PT minus PV. Now go on simplifying it. Therefore mu is equal to, first we will keep this as it is, multiplied by, from here we are going to take PT common, then inside bracket what I will get? 1 minus PVS upon PT divided by, from denominator also we are going to take PT common, then what I will get? 1 minus PV upon PT. Now check which things we can cancel. This PT I can cancel with this PT. Therefore I will get mu or degree of saturation is equal to PV upon PVS multiplied by 1 minus PVS upon PT divided by 1 minus PV upon PT. This is nothing but the equation which denotes, or from which equation we can calculate the value of degree of saturation. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.